Let's start the first process. First process is trying to understand the futility of identity. All of you know the utility of identities. Now you should know the futility of identity. The uselessness, or how you are catching too much your identity and suffering. Just for 2 days, today and tomorrow, try to live with a different identity. It means if you are a doctor, decide strongly next 2 days you will be an engineer. If you are a lawyer, just decide you will be a doctor. I am not telling you to catch passions. If you are male, decide next 2 days you will live with a female identity. If you are female, decide for next 2 days you will live with a male identity. See, the identity is nothing but a psychodrama which you are playing. Just to give you the glimpse, you are beyond your identity. You are not just your identity. You are not just your identity. In India, the villages, kids will play with the toys. They will have one toy. When they put a sari on the toy, they call this mother. Same toy, same kind. If they put dhoti on the toy, they will call father. And a small toy, if they put the female dress, they will call sister. Male dress, they will call brother. And these kids will play with those toys. They will take, oh, father is going to office. They will tuck, 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 tuck. Mother is going to cooking. They will take and they will create all sounds of cooking. Sister is going to school. They will take that sister in the small car and they will pam pam, hey, give way. They will go around and play. And this brother is going for school. They will take the brother for the school. Just like how the kids play with those toys, you are also doing the same thing. When you take birth, you catch somebody, hey, father, mother, brother, sister, wife. You catch a group of people. And you have a manual. This person should do that. That person should do this. This person should be like that. If some tie is not behaving as you want, as you expect them, you say, oh, bad tie, throw it away. Bad tie, throw it away. And if some ties are not behaving, not doing as you expect them, what do you say? Wrong person. Bad father. Bad wife. Wrong relation. And bad friend. You give some term and throw them away. As long as they all do as you want, you will be sitting and playing with them. And suddenly when you die, you go to the next place, catch again the whole bunch. And do the same play. Understand? What kids are doing, you are doing the same thing. With little more costly, that's all. With the kids, game is little cheap. They don't spend much. With you, game is too costly. You are spending your whole life. Your whole life is nothing but psychodrama. Understand? Nothing but psychodrama. Now, just for 2 days, sincerely decide you will live with a different identity. Suddenly you will see so many problems which were stopping you from enlightenment will disappear. This is the best technique or process I have ever done. Because so many people are just liberated from so many difficulties and complications which they think they will never be able to come out. Just if you come out of your identity for 2 days, you will understand all those big problems which you are thinking impossible to solve disappears. You don't even have to solve. It just disappears. It just disappears. You don't even have to solve them. You don't even have to go behind searching, hey, I have to do this, I have to do that. Nothing is necessary. just they disappear. They evaporate. They just evaporate. Try for next 2 days. In the Yahoo you create an avatar. If you have created Yahoo, your own avatar, now it will be easy for you. Because you are going to create your own avatar, your own incarnation. If you are old, think for next 2 days you are young. Just opposite are some crazy ideas which you never imagine you will be. Or some crazy ideas, decide. But it should not be any way connected to what you are now. If you are a very soft person, be arrogant, aggressive. For next 2 days, even sitting, just move the chair in such a way you should be arrogant. If you think you are an arrogant person, just next 2 days be completely quiet. Don't even talk. Just try. Now you will sit and paint your avatar. Create all weird imaginations. You may think, what is he teaching to me? I thought I will come and learn meditation. What am I learning? Understand? Sitting with master, the initial it may look weird. It may look crazy. But just come with this process. Come with me. You will see by the end of tomorrow evening, so many addictions, so many problems, so many samskaras, so many habits which you thought you will never be able to come out, which you will never be able to win over, would have disappeared. Understand? Will be evaporated. So many things which you think as you can't get out of it. Your suffering or your depression or your difficulties or your mind or again and again falling sick. So many things, whatever you think, all those things are written on your 5 sheets. Your whole biography, your past, present and future is carved on these 5 layers. Now I am completely breaking those 5 layers and cooking. Cooking it so thoroughly, you will not be able to engrave anything new. You will not be able to engrave anything new. You have to live like a fresh flower. Understand? Living like a fresh flower is not any more option for you. It will become compulsion. Because I am going to straight away cook your whole, whatever you think as whole. Straight cooking is going to happen. Now decide. Now decide before entering. Once you decide to enter, go through the whole process intensely. Intensely. You will see the power of the process. Whatever you think as your regular worries, regular difficulties, regular habits, regular depression, whole thing will just disappear. Because it's all written on these 5 layers. Now we are going to completely clean these 5 layers. Just for a few minutes, sit and create a new identity, new personality, maybe completely opposite and crazy to what you think as you. Please sit, close your eyes for a few minutes. Just create some crazy identity, completely crazy. If you are male, female. If you are female, something else. You can create anything. But it should not be what you are thinking you are. If you are old, think you are young. Create a new identity. Next 2 days you are going to live with that identity. So create it very clearly. Visualize it clearly. How your body will be. How your mind will be. How your habits will be. Don't miss even one item. Think about every item. Visualize about every step. Whatever you are thinking as you till now, just create opposite to it. Understand, you are going to be very serious. So it's not just playing around. Create your new identity very strongly. Never self-decide how you want to look, how you want to walk, how you are going to sit, your body language. Decide about everything. Let your eyes be closed. Paint yourself very clearly in your inner space. Paint your new identity. Paint and visualize very strongly, very clearly. Yes, you can open your eyes. Understand, it may look like very funny, but these 2 days, start living with it. You will understand the big gap between you and your old identity. Don't sit next to your friend or family who will remind you about your old identity. No, just for 2 days be liberated from your old identity. Try not to remember your old identity. Again and again remember you are a new person. You are new person. Just try to live. You will suddenly see the whole fun, whole game, how you are cheating yourself with some foolish identity given to you by society, and how you are creating too much suffering to yourself with some foolish identity which society gave you. All our desire for vacation is desire to be away from your identity. That's all. You crave for vacation, just so that you can be away from your identity. You can be liberated little bit from your identity. Now, just make 10 new friends with your new identity. You don't have to give your past, old identity. Just go around and make new friends, not the same old people. See, we can't love somebody unless we know their past record. Why? There is no need. You can smile and radiate friendliness just because that person is in front of you. You don't need to know their whole past record just to give a smile or just to be friendly. So now, without telling about your past record, your old identity, without asking about their old identity, just make a simple friendliness. Radiate a simple friendliness, a simple hi or simple few words, and try. You will realize, you will understand how you are able to connect without your identity. You always think you can connect with anybody only with your identity. That's why first you throw your weight, visiting card, business card. I am a doctor, I am this, I am that. So that the other person will be ready to relate with you as you expect, as you want. The mold will be ready. Now just for 10 minutes, try to go around and see, are you able to connect with people without giving your past record and without asking their past? Are you able to relate with people just in a simple way?